If you're having trouble syncing notes on your iPhone, let me show you how to fix it. First, make sure you're using iCloud Notes. And for that, go to your Settings app and scroll down. Then tap on Apps and again scroll down, then tap on Notes. After that, go into Default Account and make sure it's set to iCloud. Next, check if iCloud Sync is turned on. And for that, go back to the main settings menu and tap on your name on the top. After that, go into iCloud and tap on See All. Then go into Notes and make sure it's turned on. After that, check your internet connection. iCloud Notes won't sync without a stable connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data or just toggle airplane mode on and off. Then restart all devices. Restart your iPhone and the other device you're trying to sync with. This refreshes iCloud syncing in many cases. And also make sure you're running the latest iOS version. Older versions can sometimes bug out. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.